Hello students, in today's class we are going to take the topic laws of exponents. Now see, there are various laws of exponents. In previous classes also you have studied. Okay, let's start with the first law. See, the first one is a raised to power m into a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m plus n. Now what is happening here? The base is same. What can we see? We can see that the base is same. So when the base is same, what happens? As per the laws of exponent, the powers get added. So you can see a raised to power, then it becomes m plus n. Correct? Now let's take an example, a small example. 2 raised to power 6 into 2 raised to power 3. Base is same. So what will happen with the powers? 6 is the power here, 3 is the power here. Yes, you can all see. It becomes 2 raised to power 6 plus 3, that is 2 raised to power 9 is the answer. Clear? Let's move to the next law of exponent. What it says? Here we have a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n. So what it becomes equal to? A raised to power m minus n. Fine. So basically what is the concept here? When the base is same, see, a is the base in both numerator as well as in denominator. And what is the operation? The operation is of division, that the two are getting divided. So we can write it as this also, a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n. So whenever that is there, what happens? Pay attention. It is that a raised to power m minus 1. What does it mean? That we will subtract the two powers. A base is same, so the powers will be subtracted. Now let's take one more example. See here, 2 raised to power 3 upon 2 raised to power 2. Base is same, division is the operation. You can see this is the line, so it is for the division. There is division for the two. When base is same, division is the operation. What do we do, students? We subtract. So what will it become? See, 2 raised to power 3 minus 2. Now can you tell me what will be the answer? The answer will be, it will be equal to 2. The answer will be 2. Clear all of you? Let's move further. See the next law of exponent, what it says. Here it is a raised to power 0. That means any number, a can be any value. It can be any positive value, negative value or anything. So whenever this power becomes 0, the value is equal to 1 as per the law of exponent. See what it means? Look here everyone. Let us take an example. I have taken 81 raised to power 0. So what will it become? 81 raised to power 0. It will be equal to 1. Similarly, if there is any value, say I have taken one more example as 21 raised to power 0. That will also become 1. What if it is having the value, say I am taking the example minus 4 and its power is 0. Yes students, it will become equal to again 1. Fine. Let's move further. See the next law of exponent, what it says. Yes, fourth is a raised to power m and whole bracket close raised to the power n. Now there are two powers. Whenever there are two powers, that means the two powers will be multiplied. So it becomes a raised to power m into n. Understand it with the help of an example. If I have 2 raised to power 3 whole raised to power 2, then the relationship between 3 and 2 is of multiplication. So we'll take 2 raised to power 3 into 2, which is equal to 2 raised to power 6. This particular students, most of the time many students get confused. They take it as 3 plus 2, that is 5. See, remember, whenever this is written, two powers are there, bracket is there, that means the relationship between the two powers is of multiplication. So the two powers will be multiplied, that means it will be 2 raised to power 6. Clear? Let me take one example. 3 raised to power 4 students. 3 raised to power, say 3 raised to power 2 I am taking. 3 raised to power 2, wait. 3 raised to power 2 and whole bracket raised to the power say 8. Tell me what will it become equal to. What is the relationship I have told you? The relationship between 2 and 8 is of multiplication. It becomes 3 raised to power 16. Clear everyone? I erase it so that there is no confusion and you can write down all the formulas carefully. Fine. Let's move further. What it says. See the next one. Now this is the sixth one. Again, it is very, very important. See what it says. Sixth one says, if there is ab raised to power n, whole raised to power n, that means it will be power for each of the term inside the bracket, which means a raised to power n into ab raised to power n. Now here see, example again I am taking. It is 6 raised to power 8 I have taken. 6 raised to power 3, sorry. 6 can be written as the product of, what are the two numbers I can take it as? It can be written as the product of 2 and 3. So it means 2 raised to power 2 into 3 whole raised to power 3. Now students, what will it become? Anyone can tell? Yes, it will be same as per this law. What it is? It will become 2 raised to power 3 into 3 raised to power 3 raised to power 3. So that is what it becomes. Clear? Let's move to the next slide. Yes, see the last formula what it says. See the last one, sixth formula, sixth law of exponent. This much is clear. Here it is a by b raised to power minus m it is. So whenever there is a negative power, students, what happens? We make this negative power positive. See here it is m only. It was m minus m in this, and here it becomes plus m. How it becomes? What will we do? We will take the reciprocal. Say for example, I am taking two numbers, 3 upon 5 raised to power minus 2. Can anyone guess what will it be? Take the reciprocal, 5 upon 3, and it will become whole raised to power 2. So the negative power becomes positive just by taking the reciprocal of whatever is written inside that. I am erasing it so that there is no confusion. Okay. Now what your homework is, please pay attention. I will not start with the exercise first. Okay. I'm giving you this particular as homework. Write down all this. This is the homework for today. Write down all these laws of exponent. Learn these all and do question number 1 and question number 2. Okay. I repeat, write on all these laws of exponent, and what else you have to do? Learn these laws of exponent, and homework is to do question number 1 and 2. You can do it in maths 1. In maths 1 you all can do it. Fine. So this was all for today's class. You have to learn these formulas so that the next class, when we start with the higher level difficult question or the more important questions of the exercise, you are able to understand better. Fine. Thank you, students.